Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add your high school to your Instagram profile using the Instagram app on your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you want to share a bit more about your background or connect with classmates, this simple trick will help you do just that. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official source and log in to your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your posts and personal info are displayed. Next, find and click on the Edit Profile button. This is where you can customize your profile details, including your name, username, website, and bio. For adding your high school, you'll want to focus on the bio section. Click on the bio field to start editing it. Now, simply type the name of your high school into the bio. You can write it in a way that fits your style, whether it's just the school's name or something more personal, like proud graduate of your high school. This is a great way to let your followers know more about you without cluttering your profile. Once you've finished typing your high school info, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button to save your changes. Your profile will update immediately, and your high school will now be visible to anyone who visits your Instagram page. That's it! Adding your high school on Instagram via the PC app is that simple. This update makes it easier than ever to personalize your profile and share your story with friends and followers. Try it out today and make your profile truly yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Instagram tips.